Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set call background in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. First of all, understand that what is call background. Okay, I am showing call background first. First of all, when you receive incoming call, you will get call background. See here, I receive a call and a call background. This is the call background as of now. Okay, so if you would like to change this call background to some other screen, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is go to this dialer, then go to these three vertical dots here and click on settings here and click on call background, and this is default call background as of now, and click on background here, and here you can set your video as a background. Just click on set as call background, and this can be applied as call background as hereafter. Okay, now make a call from another phone and check. Now I am checking. I cut the call. Again I go to the settings, then I go to this three vertical dots, click on settings and go to call background and click on background, and here you can add any photo as background. Click on this plus symbol and click on select from gallery and select any photo as call background. Here I select this photo and click on set as call background, and this will be set to call background now. Okay, call background is now changed to this photo. Now I make a call from another number and see what happens. So when you receive the call background is now applied. That is selected photo is showing in the call background. Okay, so in this way you can easily set desired call background in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.